Want treats? Oh, Pooh, you've been busy on your little newspaper, haven't you? Hi, you want treats? Want some dandelions? How about Noah? Noah, want a treat? Come on. Come on, Noah. Yeah, I know. You want him handed to you. Come on, Noah. Noah, come on. Want a treat? Pooh's getting to eat all the dandelions. Yeah. Prince Noah. Hmm?